This is how my helmet box turned out on the install. This video is fairly long and detailed because of having to add these brackets to support it where I had to mount it over the window. Hopefully your installation won't require such a feat and will go much quicker. If that's the case, you just need to find the studs and anchor it to the studs. I'll be putting up our Pit Posse 2 helmet box. It has these nice slots you can hang jackets from or whatever. Sadly, this big window in the back of our toy hauler is just wide enough that the box doesn't fit. Oh, stretch over the top of it. Taking down the trim for the blinds. You just have a little snap over the top of the screws. Then I'll remove the blinds. Remove the hardware. We know there's a stud on each side of the window, and most likely, just knowing from looking at the frame around this vent, that there's probably a welded frame across the top also. I'm measuring across the window frame. It's 37 inches. I'll add 1.5 inches to be safe and cut my piece of aluminum bracket. One inch by 1/2 inch aluminum channel. You could use a hacksaw, but this is a lot easier. I will file all the sharp edges off. Don't want to cut any fingers. Just doesn't take much to get the burrs off. Next, I'm raising the door up. I'm just going to take the screws out and move it up one screw hole. That'll give me a little more room above the helmet box and still be able to use this door. Along with that, I'm going to need to move the catch that latches the door shut and raise it up also. I just sacrificed the windshield sunshade. This will be permanently behind the helmet box. Lack of curtains. And the helmet box not completely covering the hole. It just keeps curious eyes out of here. lock washer and nut. I drilled 7/32 holes the top, and I'm going to use the 8 by 1 3/4 inch screws, self-tapping screws, and 5/8 inch aluminum stoppers I got at the hardware store. They're for garage doors, garage door opener, just to try to protect the window frame from the beating it'll take if it wasn't held back from it. Drill a pilot hole to go through this spacer for the screw to go through it. Here's the last screw. See how she looks. Okay, so eye level wise, I'll be able to see this is where the boots go and the gloves up here. And you can still reach the helmets, but it's higher than I'd have cared for. But when I'm tying down the motorcycles and reaching under, it probably will be pretty safe. Let's hang the blinds back up. Alright, here it is. All done. Snaps right into the clickers. Oh man. Thanks for watching.